Bizagi Modeler allows you to publish process documentation to Word, PDF, or Excel. Once your process definition and documentation are complete, move to the Publish tab. Click your desired format to generate the process documentation. The publishing wizard is very similar between all formats. We'll illustrate using the Word format. The first step is to select the diagram or diagrams to be published. Order the diagrams according to how you want them to be shown. If your model is stored in the cloud, you can create or use a profile. Profiles are pre-selected diagrams and elements that help speed up your publishing process. To learn more about profiles, refer to the video How to Use Profiles. Select the elements from each process that you wish to publish in the documentation. Use the filters to select the elements by their type or by role. The elements can be sorted alphabetically or as they appear in the diagram. Place the process's elements as you want them to be published. Select the Word template you want to use. For more information about Word templates, watch the video How to Customize Your Processes. Pick an orientation for the document pages. Finally, select the folder in which to save the published documentation. This folder should have read and write permissions. To publish your process documentation to PDF, select the PDF format on the ribbon. Again, select the diagrams you wish to publish and choose the elements of the diagram just as we did when publishing to Word. Pick an orientation for the document pages. Select the folder to save the documentation and give the output a name. To publish your documentation to Excel, follow the same steps as before. Select the Excel format, choose the processes and elements to export, and give your spreadsheet a name. Thank you for your interest in Bizagi.